Hello and welcome to my slideshow for Twitch TV. So, what is Twitch TV? Well, it's a place for people to share their gaming content. And not only that, but it's a place for gamers to meet who have the same interests, and it's a place to build a gaming community, to establish competitive gaming networks. So all of those gamers that are out there who would like to get on the TV or the internet and play video games, Twitch TV is the place to go. And not only that, it's a public domain, so other people can watch while other people play the game and not actually be interactive in the actual game itself. So it's a great place for gamers to go and play games and meet other people who like to play games again, and to establish a big wide network of gaming for themselves. And how does this work? Well, basically you have to have internet. So a lot of these gaming people who play online, obviously you have to have internet, and you connect through the internet with your game console. A lot of these Xbox PlayStations have resources or have a way to connect to the internet. There's also phone apps that can be used, and within these connections there's chat rooms so people can chat while you're playing, and even people who are not playing can chat as they're watching the live streaming going on. The one thing that you do have to worry about, or several things, is you do have trolls out there who like to get on particular internet websites and just kind of cause trouble. So be careful with these guys or gals, whoever they are. Also, this app is open to just about all ages. So a lot of times when you're on here, you need to make sure that you keep it PG-13, as we say. You do have younger crowds that are on here, so you need to be careful with the content that's being put out there. Now, because you do play on the internet, you have to worry about the network interruptions as well. As you know, it's not 100% reliable, which also causes streaming lags. So if you are in a competition with someone and your internet decides to run a little slow, you're going to have streaming lags, and it may cause you to lose your game, or even drop the game. So these are just some of the things that you need to worry about. As far as the future, what it holds for gaming communities, we can only imagine the way technology is leaping forward, leaps and bounds. It's going to be incredible to see what the future has for us. So, if you're a gamer, get out there, get on Twitch.com, and start gaming.